In this video, I will show you how to stop spam comments on your Facebook group without any stress. Let me show you how. First thing first, open up your Facebook app. Then go ahead and click on this three slider from the top. Go ahead and click on groups. Go ahead and click on your groups. Then go ahead and make sure you click your group right here. So I'm going to go ahead and use this particular group right here. Then go ahead and click on manage. Then scroll down right here. Click on people. Then choose a particular contact that you notice is being spammed in comment section in your group. So then go ahead and click on the three dots from the contact. Then go ahead and click on limit activity. Then make sure you turn on this. Then you can go ahead and click on here. Then you can decide that this contact person should not post more than 5 comments on your group. Then go ahead and hit on save. And you are done. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial, tips and tricks about Facebook group settings like this, consider subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.